Hey Squiddos, get your tickets ready. We're making Shwaffles. First, crush your favorite golden cereal. I like the ones shaped like mini French toasts. Crush them until they're coarse, like this. Now take a banana and slice it in half. Roll them around in a little bit of Greek yogurt and then toss them in your cereal. Do it like this, it's way less messy. Now poke some holes in the flat end and shove in some sour red straws. Hey, look at that, shrimp pops! And we didn't have to slaughter any crustaceans. Freeze them for 2 hours at least. In a small bowl, mix together margarine and a little bit of sugar until creamy. Whisk in an egg and mix to combine. Then add flour and baking powder. Warm up your waffle iron and divide your batter by 2. Mine makes 2 waffles at a time, but cook them according to your machine's instructions. They should be perfect and golden in about 3 to 5 minutes. Place them on a clean plate. For our chocolate sauce, place chocolate chips and butter in a bowl. Melt in your microwave in 20-second bursts until creamy. Then you can add your Greek yogurt. Now because this is an inkling snack, I'm going to add a little bit of fish sauce, just a drop or 2. Leave it out if you're squeamish. Ooh, salty chocolate sauce. Now we can build our Shwaffle. Dip your Shwaffle in chocolate and place it on a plate. Top with ice cream or whipped cream and your ice cold shrimp pop. Then you can splatter on lots more chocolate sauce. Make a big mess, this is a Splatoon dessert after all. Deep fried Shwaffle. Super tasty and big enough to share. Or not. Stay fresh. If you like that, check out this video. I think you'll dig it. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit me up on social media. I'm more than happy to chat. If you want to help me produce more videos, consider becoming a pal on Patreon, or shop on Amazon using the link in the video description. Until next time, take it easy folks.